guys, how are you? Jorge Ray here with Jorge Auto Brokers, and today we're reviewing the 2017 Jaguar XF. This is a V6 supercharged vehicle, super economical. It gives you 24 miles per gallon, and when it comes to Jaguar, the luxury on this vehicle is amazing. The design is perfect. It has the in-dash screen. It has the shifter that goes down automatically to give it that luxury touch, and also additional space. This is a vehicle that is very, very elegant. It's around a $65,000 MSRP, so it's a vehicle that can be affordable and gives you plenty of space, and all the luxury that you're looking for. So if you want to know what the lease will look like on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact me at jorgeautobrokers.com, and like always, enjoy your ride.